I was snoring more. And when you look at like REM and all that kind of stuff, all that stuff was decreasing. And I'm a person that gets about 6 hours of sleep. Anything more than that, I struggle. Anything less than that, I struggle. So it was really becoming affected. I was foggy and challenging to do the work, to have a good attitude, to be patient. All that stuff was compromised. We started looking into like different sleep options and stuff. And there's all that junk out there that you can hook up machines and do all these other things. And I just wasn't going to do that. When we look at like biohacking stuff and things, I was like, all right, I'll check some stuff out. And then I came across hostage tape and I was like, let's give this a go. Let's see what happens. And it's been about 3 months now. So I've reordered. So that's good. I noticed that, wasn't snoring as much, maybe still a little, but it definitely wasn't as audible for my wife and stuff. That's much better.